The battlefield may be covered in stumps, but we've got the ultimate solution. Watch as technology takes over and clears the way. Welcome to Titan Tech. Let's go. That stump wasn't giving up without a fight. Nature's grip is no joke. This stump never stood a chance. The HWI M650 didn't just grind it down, it erased it from existence. With sheer, unrelenting force, this forestry milling machine turns solid wood into dust before you can even blink. It's like watching a force of nature at work, unstoppable, unforgiving, and absolutely mesmerizing. PTO-powered auger wood splitter plus Ursus C330 equals a wood-splitting powerhouse. Ash wood is no joke, but this setup drills right through it with ease. The steady torques from the tractor keeps things running smoothly, proving once again why PTO-driven splitters are the way to go. You ever see a stump just disappear before your eyes? The feckin' Stump X doesn't waste time. It erases them. This thing turns solid hardwood into mulch in mere seconds. Mounted on an ASV skid steer, it delivers raw power with finesse, slicing through even the nastiest root systems. Fast? Absolutely. Safe? No doubt. The Vermeer BC 2100 XL isn't just a wood chipper. It's a diesel-powered beast with an appetite for gum trees. That 275 horsepower engine shreds through wood like a hot knife through butter. With a massive 40 inches by 24 inches in feed capacity, this thing doesn't just process wood, it devours it. Genius level skill or just pure stubbornness. Either way, that tractor driver is committed. Meet the Binderberger Schneid Profi, the ultimate automatic circular saw for meter-long logs. With a high-performance hard metal blade, this powerhouse cuts through up to 15 staries per hour, making firewood processing faster and easier than ever. Whether you choose PTO drive or electric motor, you get reliable, high productivity cutting. Massive tree stump versus the legendary K700 tractor. On paper, this should be a landslide victory for horsepower. But as any logger will tell you, never underestimate the grip of a well-rooted stump. The first pull, nothing. Second attempt, still standing. And on the third, boom. The K700 finally claims victory. From stubborn to obliterated in seconds, this stump removal method is next level. The wooden splitting spoon 600, compact but powerful. With an opening width of 600 millimeters, this smaller splitting spoon is designed for precision and efficiency. Mounted on an excavator, it transforms the machine into an agile and versatile beast, making log splitting smoother and more controlled than ever. The Deere 410 backhoe is putting in serious work. Removing a massive 29-inch diameter stump is no small task, but this machine handles it with power and precision. The hydraulic strength and digging force make quick work of stubborn roots, proving why the 410 is a go-to for tough jobs. Back in the day, we had to chop and pile branches manually. What a nightmare. This shredder is a total game changer. With a steady 1200 RPM and a solid gearbox, it turns branches into chips like a hot knife through butter. No more back-breaking work. Just feed it in and watch the magic happen. This is a hydraulic log splitter designed for use with a tractor. The powerful hydraulic ram pushes a wedge into the log, effortlessly splitting it into sections. This setup is perfect for processing firewood efficiently, reducing manual labor, and handling even hardwood logs with ease. Mounted on a sturdy frame, this splitter looks built for durability and high performance. Full load, full power. Can the Caterpillar RD6 rip this giant stump from the ground? With its legendary torque and heavy-duty build, this machine was made for jobs like this. This homemade plywood splitter packs an impressive 17 tons of splitting force, proving that DIY ingenuity meets serious power. Designed and built from scratch, it tackles plywood and tough logs effortlessly, making firewood processing faster and more efficient. A true testament to engineering skills and hands-on craftsmanship. Designed and built from the ground up, this self-manufactured firewood processing machine is a game changer. Fully mobile, it handles log cutting, splitting, and stacking with efficiency, turning raw timber into neatly processed firewood in no time. Built for power, precision, and portability, this machine proves that innovation and hands-on engineering can take firewood production to the next level. The ECHO Bearcat SC5720B isn't just a chipper, it isn't just a shredder, and it sure isn't just a blower. This beast is a triple threat powerhouse ready to turn brush, branches, and debris into finely processed mulch in record time. Running on 380 volts, 3 kilowatts, and spinning at 950 revolutions per minute, this gearbox-driven log splitter means business. The high torque output ensures smooth and efficient splitting, making firewood processing faster and easier. Homemade Stump Grinder 2.0 is a serious upgrade. With 500 series green teeth mounted on a Blue Shark grinding wheel, and a power boost from a 22.5 horsepower Harbor Freight 670 cubic centimeter engine, this machine is built to chew through stumps like never before. Swapping out the Honda 390cc for this beast of an engine was a game changer. Oh, so big. Watch the Remington Super 770 tear through wood with raw power and precision. And featuring the Chainsaw Thief DH, well, let's just say the logs never stood a chance. Okay, this is next level speed. That log barely hit the machine before it was split and ready to burn. Back in the day, we had to hold the saw steady ourselves. What a workout. Now, with this support, cutting firewood is smoother and faster. Work smart, not hard. Why struggle with thick branches when you can turn them into fine mulch in seconds? Industrial-grade wood chipper makes light work of 200mm limbs, powering through tough jobs with ease. What a journey! If you had a blast, let us know in the comments, hit like, and subscribe for more epic adventures. See you soon.